Get ready for an absolute game changer in the world of foldable smartphones because Huawei is about to unleash not one, but two triple foldable devices that are set to shake things up. The rumor mill is buzzing with excitement as the renowned tipster Revegnus spilled the beans on Huawei's secret project, and brace yourselves, Samsung is apparently in on the action too. According to the grapevine, Huawei's triple foldable marvel is charging full steam ahead, aiming for a jaw-dropping launch just before March next year. And that's not all. Whispers suggest that Huawei is cooking up not just one, but two of these futuristic gadgets to drop in 2024. Double the trouble, double the thrill. Hold on to your seats because the inside scoop from analyst extraordinaire Ross Young spills the tea that Huawei's triple foldable masterpiece was initially slated for a grand entrance in late 2023. But guess what? Plot twist. Unforeseen delays decided to make it fashion, pushing the launch a bit further into the future. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Samsung, not one to be outdone, is hot on Huawei's heels, gearing up to unveil its own triple foldable spectacle in 2025. It's a race to the foldable finish line, and these tech giants are sprinting full speed ahead. Now picture this: a triple foldable phone that unfolds into a screen so vast it could practically double as a tablet. The burning question: how thick is this technological marvel going to be? Traditional foldables catch some flack for their chunkiness, but fear not. Huawei, known for its sleek designs, is set to defy expectations. The Huawei Mate X3 boasts a slender 11.08mm thickness when folded, making it one of the sleekest foldables out there. The Honor Magic V2 takes the crown for the slimmest foldable, measuring a jaw-dropping 9.9mm. Take that, competitors. As Huawei continues to slim down its foldable lineup, the anticipation for the triple foldable wonder builds. Will it be a global sensation? Only time will tell, so buckle up and stay tuned for updates as the foldable future unfolds.